Hey everybody, welcome to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Sawadee Kap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Hey, if you're coming to Thailand, you probably want to learn a little bit of Thai. And we've got some really good news for you. There are a lot of words that are almost identical in Thai as they are in English.
And today we are very pleased to present you 20 Thai words and how to make easy, simple sentences to communicate with Thai people.
Yeah, so are you ready? We're going to get going right now. So,
Wait. I have something. I'm thinking about something fun and some kind of contest for you too. We are going to teach.
wait a minute. That's not in our script of words here.
And we are going to talk about 20 words.
Hijacking the show.
And if you can make their pronunciation sounds like Thai, you can get one
Me?
1 point for you.
You're going to embarrass me in front of
No.
the 50 million people that watch every one of our videos.
These words are very easy for you to pronounce. And
All right.
if you can make more than 18 words, like a Thai people.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you some present.
A present.
Yeah, a present.
All right. Okay.
Deal?
Will I be happy with this present?
Of course, you
Okay.
will.
All right, so we're going to do 20 words, so I can only miss 2. That's a lot of pressure. You're going to have to make 18. All right, here we go. All right, I'll say the word in English. You say it in Thai with the correct Thai pronunciation, and then I'll say it in Thai, okay?
Yeah.
And you correct me if need be,
Okay.
as if I need correction. Okay, the first word is beer.
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 Wow.
Okay.
The first word is very easy, and you get 1 point.
All right, and I want to say one thing about ordering a beer. One of the most popular beers in Thailand. There's Leo, and there's also what looks like the word Chiang. And you'll always hear all the tourists here saying Chiang. So I just cringe every time. So if you
No.
want to sound a little less touristy, it's actually pronounced Chong, like song, Chong.
No.
No. What do you mean no?
Shang. Shang,
Oh,
not Chong.
is this one of the 20 words?
No,
that I already
not
missed?
included. This one is not
This is
included.
like a bonus. I've always been saying Chong, but it's an SH sound.
Shang.
Shang.
Yes.
Okay, so Shang.
Shang means elephant.
I've been
Look at it, it's a symbol of that beer.
I've been saying it wrong for 7 years.
Now you can say it right.
Okay. All right. Okay, so our next word, motorcycle.
Okay, we have two different way to say. The first one is motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
1 point.
Very easy. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the short version,
Motorcycle.
Mosai.
Good.
Okay. All right. So those are 2 things you really need to know in Thailand. You're probably going to be drinking a beer, a shong or a Leo, and maybe you'll be renting a motorcycle, or if not, riding one, you might get hit by one. Okay. Our next word, coffee.
Oh, coffee. It sounds similar but not the same. It is cafe.
Cafe.
Very good.
So the key there
Another
is
1
that
point.
it's a G sound. It's not a C sound to start it. Now, what about the different, coffee family type things? So let me go through the list. Espresso,
Espresso.
espresso.
Very good.
Okay. Latte,
Latte.
pretty easy. Latte.
Very well.
All right. Mocha,
Mocha.
mocha.
Ooh,
All right.
Another point.
And cappuccino,
Cappuccino.
cappuccino.
Well
So
done.
again, we're changing that chino to shino, cappuccino. Okay, I don't think they'll kick us out of the coffee shop if we get it a little bit wrong. So here's something to know. If you want to just say more than words, we're actually going to teach you a little sentence here for when you order things. Here's the really cool thing about learning Thai, is that if you've ever studied language before, you do like verb conjugation charts, right? Even in English, it's I walk, he walks. They're all different. Well, in Thai, it's all the same. Whether you're saying I eat, you eat, he eats, she eats, they eat, it's the same verb. Nothing changes. It's just the infinitive.
Yeah, very easy.
And when you want to say, like, I'll take something, I want something, like an object, the verb is ao. Just like, if I hit you, what are you going to say?
Ouch.
Ow. Not ouch. Ow. Come on. So we say ow. So if I want to get cappuccino, I would say ow cappuccino.
Wow.
Okay.
Excellent.
You scared me for a minute. You didn't. Okay, so you don't have to. You also don't have to even use the subject. You don't have to say I. Again, Thai is very simple. You just basically say want cappuccino. Okay, we'll tell you at the end how to make it a little more polite.
Yes.
But you just say the verb and what you want.
Like you use imperative sentence in English. The same thing.
Yeah, she's an English teacher. None of you know what an imperative sentence is. Okay, and here's some good news, is when you order in Thai, in almost all the restaurants, would you agree, almost all the restaurants have picture menus.
Yeah.
They show the food. So you can just point to something and you can say, if you want to say, I want this, you would say ow, but then you would just say this, ow ani.
Very good.
Ani, ow ani. Okay. So you don't even have to know all these words. You can just point. Okay, so our next one, smoothie.
Oh, very easy. Smoothie.
Smoothie.
1 point.
Now, did you notice it's not SM, smoothie, it's smoothie.
We break into syllables.
S-A, yes, you've got smoothie. Okay, and what about the flavors? Let's say strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. So again, it's not the ST sound like st, it's the SA, strawberry.
Another different syllable.
Yeah. So the Thais really divide everything. So strawberry, very strong division of the syllables. Okay, how about blueberry?
Blueberry.
Blueberry, very easy. Okay, and this one's a little tricky. Avocado.
Avocado.
So the V becomes a W. Avocado.
Very good.
And if you're thinking like avocado smoothie, are you crazy? I never had an avocado smoothie. In fact, all my years coming to Thailand, I never had one. And Joy introduced me to them, I don't know, a year ago. And I thought avocado smoothie, because she ordered one. I thought, gross. I mean, avocado and milk and yogurt. It was delicious. It's probably my favorite smoothie to get now.
Once you try this menu, this smoothie, you can be addicted to avocado smoothie him.
If you come, really get an avocado smoothie. Okay. Oh, and one thing to talk about when you order food. This isn't really something it doesn't have a matching English word, but it's important to know, is spicy. Because Thai food is spicy. Not always, but a lot of the time. So that's something you might want to be saying when you order food here. So if we just want to say something is spicy, very simple word for that.
Pet.
Pet. Exactly like dog, cat, pet. So if you want to order something spicy, you just say the word pet.
Yeah.
Okay, that means spicy.
You don't have to end with the T sound. Pet.
Pet.
Yeah.
Okay, so kind of a soft T. Okay, I never knew that. I'm learning all kinds of things. Okay, I'm going to give this video a like. I don't know about you. I am. Now, what about if you want to make something extra spicy?
Say it twice.
Yeah.
Pet, pet.
Pet, pet. That's what the Thais do. Like if you want to say, go fast, go fast. Fast is reo. So you say, reo, reo.
Very fast.
You say it twice. That's the emphasis. So pet, pet. That means spicy. What about what probably most of you are going to be saying is not spicy? How about that?
Less spicy is my pet.
Yeah, and my just is no. It's like no spicy, not spicy. So my pet. So you got those three things when you order food. All right, back to our list. We've only got a few more things here. All right, and now these are Western foods. Because, you're going to get Thai food here, but when you order Thai food, it's pronounced the same as you do it at your Thai restaurant in your hometown. You still say pad Thai, pad grapao. Nothing's going to change there. But you might order some Western food. So what about pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay, very easy. How about hamburger?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Okay, clear syllables. How about Pepsi?
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
Very good.
Now, did you notice it's not a P, it's a BP, kind of a explosive. Pepsi. And Coke.
Coke.
These are really easy. Okay, pasta.
Pasta.
Pasta. Spaghetti.
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 Very
Again,
good.
not the SP. Spaghetti. Now, what about if you're maybe a lot of people, they rent a condo here from Airbnb and you want to say that in Thai? How do you say condo?
Condo.
What could be easier? And Airbnb.
Airbnb.
Okay, there you go. Look at all
Exactly
these.
the same.
Look at all these words you've learned today, and you don't have to learn anything new. You already know these things. You just change the accent a little bit, and now you've got ow. Now, how about if we want to make the sentence more polite? And this is really important in Thai. Thailand, a very courteous culture here, and they end not every sentence, but a lot of the sentences with a word that you put at the end to kind of show respect and politeness.
Yeah,
So,
respect and polite, especially when you talk to someone that you don't know well.
yeah, like in a restaurant with a waiter, you would use this. So if I want to, our example was, let's say, okay, I want to order a pizza. So I say, ao pizza. But at the end of that, I would say, cap. Now you use the word cap at the end. This is for any sentence. If I want to say, thank you very much, cap kun cap, same thing. At the end of the sentence, if I'm a male speaker, it doesn't matter if I'm talking to a man or a woman, doesn't matter. Just based upon the speaker, I say cap at the end.
Right.
So, ao pizza,
Cup.
cap.
Yes.
But for a woman,
for female, we don't say cup, we say ka at the end of sentence like this. Our pizza ka.
and a lot of times they'll stretch it out.
Stretch out.
Ka.
Like if you stretch at the end of the sentence a little bit more, you can make it more polite like this. Our pizza ka.
Yeah. Same thing with cap. If you want to be extra polite, you can say, ao pizza, cap.
Yeah.
Little politeness there. And let's close with how to say thank you, because
Oh.
that's important. So,
Very easy one sentence, only 2 words. Khop kun.
kap kun. So I would say kap kun, kap.
Yeah, and for female, khop kun ka. Altogether, when you say this, we need to do a Y like this. Khop kun ka.
I just noticed, look, I'm in the sun and the shade. I've got like a two-tone face. Now I've got like a white nose. Sorry about that, guys. I just noticed. Hey, thank you for joining us. We hope you can actually use these things. I mean, we tried to find words that you already know that are, words that you use every day.
And if you have any questions or comments, please leave the comments below.
We like comments. We answer all of our comments, don't we?
Yeah,
Yeah.
always.
And if you have any words you want to share, put them in there, because a lot of people really read the comments. So we hope you subscribe. We hope you give this video a like. You know the routine. And until we see you guys again, we wish you safe travels.
Safe travels.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing.